Ideally, customers would never need our guarantee. The work would always be done to the exact standard. Parts would never malfunction, and parts manufacturers would have a low threshold for issuing recalls. When everything does go right and the vehicle is properly maintained, we believe a quality repair should last. It's our belief that investing in quality should mean securing longevity. In our experience, if an issue exists with a part or repair, it typically reveals itself within 3 years from the date of install. That's why our guarantee covers our customers for 3 years, no matter the mileage. There are 3 scenarios where our guarantee applies. When we've made a mistake, this is the least common application of our guarantee. We have many steps and procedures in place to try and reduce mistakes. However, we only employ humans at Binder's Auto, which means that mistakes are inevitable, even though they are infrequent. In the best case scenario, we find our own mistakes. Given that your vehicle is put on a lift every time you're in for maintenance, and due to our detailed records of your repair history with us, we'll always let you know if a past repair or service qualifies for a guarantee. When a part malfunctions or is defective, this is the most common application of our guarantee. Again, we have measures in place to reduce instances of defective parts. We use factory parts whenever possible, and closely monitor the condition of your vehicle's components whenever the vehicle is in for service. We even document the condition of parts we'd like to keep an eye on by taking pictures and videos. Still, parts may fail. If yours do within 3 years from the date of installation, you're covered by our guarantee. When customers elect to upgrade from a part that we can no longer endorse, one of the ways that we reduce instances of defective parts is by closely monitoring the performance of the parts that we use on every vehicle. If we notice that a part is experiencing a high rate of failure, or its performance is falling short of our standards, then we will contact customers directly to offer a part upgrade in order to maintain their guaranteed coverage. In this scenario, the customer is only responsible for the price difference between the old part that we no longer endorse and the new part that we are offering instead. The customer is not responsible for the labor required to install the new part. If the customer agrees to have the upgraded part installed, the guaranteed coverage starts fresh from the date of the upgrade. The reason we felt the need to clarify how our guarantee works is because we want existing and potential customers to feel confident in the value of the service that we offer. For a long time now, we've wanted to tell everyone about all the guarantee work that we do to keep our customers on the road driving safely. What we didn't want was existing or potential customers thinking that our guarantee only applies to mistakes. We are able to offer this coverage because we do great work, we have great customers, and because we want to change how you see auto repair. We choose to offer this coverage because it's the right thing to do. You can trust that our services, repairs, and recommendations are accurate and thorough because our guarantee backs it up. We've been in business for over 20 years. In an industry notorious for predatory practices and conning customers, we understand if any of this sounds too good to be true. You may be waiting for a speed-talking disclaimer at the end of this video telling you about the terms, conditions, and side effects of this guarantee coverage. The truth of the matter is that there is no fine print, no catch, just a family business with a time-honored tradition of doing the right thing by our customers.